gorilla trekking begins. Good morning from Kigali, Rwanda. We are staying at the Retreat by Heaven. We got these nets all around the bed. We landed in Kigali yesterday. Made it to Rwanda. Outdoor balcony. So sunny today. Pool. Had some delicious dinner last night. Some of the best food we've had yet. All of the rooms have this little outdoor porch area, nice seating area, and an outdoor shower. We are headed to Volcanoes National Park later today, staying at the One&Only for 3 nights and going gorilla trekking.
Do you buy stuff there?
Yeah.
Gorillas are classified as endangered species. Each gorilla has a unique nose print that scientists use for identification. And the most surprising fact, we share 98% of our DNA with gorillas. And that was very clear when we got to observe them. Look how close our bone structure is.
From the moment you're welcomed with a vibrant cultural dance session, you'll feel immersed in the local Rwandan spirit. One&Only Gorilla's Nest is an exclusive front row seat to the world's most renowned mountain gorilla sanctuary. It sits on the edge of Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda, home to the endangered mountain gorillas. Nestled in the foothills of the stunning Virunga Volcano range, this luxurious retreat offers guests the rare opportunity to experience personal encounters with these majestic mountain gorillas roaming freely in their natural habitat.
We made it to our Virunga Suite, which means volcanoes. Come check it out. A super spacious living room area, floor-to-ceiling windows, a cozy fireplace. We have a coffee and bar area over here, snacks, and a dining table. They give us a hat and backpack for our trek tomorrow and the next day. Our super spacious king bedroom with a balcony overlooking the forest, bathtub, comfy lounge space, another lounge chair.
Look what's in here. Robes, slippers that match the robes, and flip-flops.
Another bathtub. And then we also have an indoor and an outdoor shower. We're at the One&Only Gorilla's Nest pool. We got the prettiest drinks. I got the Rwandan Rhythm.
And I got a pomegranate spritz.
Look how pretty the pool is. No one else is here.
Got it all to ourselves.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
Really good. Time to go gorilla trekking. This is day 1, 5:30 a.m. wake up. They put us in the hard group. Hopefully they said it can last anywhere from 30 minutes to 8 hours.
They assign you to different groups with up to 8 people based on your fitness level.
Getting ready to go gorilla trekking.
They put our gaiters on for us in the morning.
Wash your shoes, then bring them back clean.
Time for our gorilla trek. Got our walking sticks and our porters and guide ranger ready to go.
Each of us has a porter to help with slippery areas and carry our belongings. The rangers are armed for safety against elephants or buffalo, and the trackers use natural methods like identifying eaten bamboo to track the gorilla paths from the night before.
There are 24 different gorilla families. The older ones are up to 40 years old. The younger ones were just born. Gorilla trekking begins. The dominant king of the group is the silverback male. Most of them have 1 to 2 in the families. Hour number 3. No gorilla tracks in sight. Coming up on some gorilla. Each trek requires a daily permit per person. The cost is $1,500, so it's a lot, but it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you get with these gentle giants up close that will stay with you forever.
And fun fact, there are no trails. They literally use machetes to chop through the bamboo.
The first gorilla trek that we did to the Sabino family is a really popular and fascinating group that trekkers like to follow, so we got super lucky to be in that one with 18 mountain gorillas. It's headed by a powerful silverback gorilla named Guhanda. And Guhanda is the biggest silverback in all of Volcanoes National Park, 400 pounds. Huge. Silverback always likes to beat his chest to show dominance. And Sabino means old man's teeth because of the gap shape of the peak of the mountain that they're located in. And it was really cool because we got to see all different generations. That one was about 40, but there was other ones too. Babies, teenagers.
Interesting.
They feel the same things as humans. They cry, they laugh, eat very similarly.
Happiness.
Gorillas typically live in families of around 10 gorillas, but sometimes up to 20, 30, 40.
And after the trek, our incredible guide Norbert was waiting with champagne, snacks, and towels.
Thank you. Yay! Cheers to the first gorilla trek. Yay!
Cheers for the gorilla trek.
Bucket list.
Yay, we did it.
And
Bucket list.
Bucket list. We saw the gorillas.
So the gorillas.
Cheers.
gorillas!
Yay, it was so good.
Whenever we pull into the hotel, they have the entire team of staff doing dances and singing their traditional dance. Post-gorilla trek, bathtub time, and then we're headed to get a massage after to relieve the muscles from the tough trek. Right when we got back from the gorilla trek, they have these massage chairs, and we get a free 15-minute massage. Post-gorilla trek massage. Can't wait. One&Only spa. And the hotel gave us a gorilla for our first trek today.
We suggested to refill that for on a temporary.
Gorilla trekking day 2. Our trek today was Umabano, which means friendship. They were higher up on a different mountain. There's 6 mountains. Had really good views at the top, but very steep going up. So the porters had to pull us up, help us up. The gorillas kept going up, and we had to keep tracking them, follow them up there. Finally made it. All the way down here. Today there was 7 silverback males, massive, got super close to them. They are very human-like. They share 98% of our DNA, and they're the largest primate. They are vegetarians, and they eat up to 55 pounds of food per day. The chest beat of an adult male gorilla can be heard from a kilometer away. Every single evening, gorillas make a new nest to sleep in. Gorilla females are pregnant for 8.5 months, so it's pretty similar to humans.
Big palm.
Had our second gorilla trek today, and now we're going to Gorilla Village. Experience some Rwandan culture, see how they make things and cook, dance.
They use the 2 stones to make flour, and after getting enough flour, they make bread porridge. And we do have the blacksmith, a machine to blow air into the fire.
Thank you very much. My name is Everest. Where I used to move.
Traditional medicine. He said the best habits meat.
They showed us a traditional Rwandan wedding where I got to be the bride and the carrier.
Princess and queen. Last cheers of the trip.
It's good.
Last breakfast in Rwanda at the One&Only. 4 days here. It's so much fun. We've got our pre-breakfast, pastries, fruits, coffee, of course. They give us so much food. It's all included. Bye-bye, Virunga Suite number 2. Bye-bye, One&Only, Gorilla's Nest, Rwanda. Till next time.
And that's all on my East Africa series. From the culture and stunning scenery to the unforgettable gorilla trekking, Rwanda was truly a dream. If Rwanda is on your bucket list, and it absolutely should be, I'd love to help you plan your adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Adventures by Sky is leaving Africa for now.
Bye, Rwanda. We're off to Doha, Qatar.
But the adventure continues. Next stop, Asia this week.
Now it's time to head home.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible experiences like this around the world. See you in the next one.